Hey, this is Carol at CNC Creations, and today I would like to show you Butterfly Ridge, my butterfly garden west of Atlanta, and show you what the butterflies like to eat here. Butterflies eat sap and fruit and flowers. I've occasionally seen butterflies on these figs. Don't see any right now. I have so many flowers. There's a particular butterfly that needs this plant right here. It's a passion flower, and it needs it to put its eggs on, and the caterpillar eats it. So there's two kind of plants. The one it needs to host its eggs, and the one it needs to survive as a butterfly. See, we have a lot of bees on this also. The same plants that the butterflies like, the bees and the hummingbirds like also. Rose of Sharon is a plant that all three love: the hummingbirds, the butterflies, and the bees. You can see one up in the top of this one. It's a butterfly. Sometimes I'll find the bees inside of them when they go to sleep. They'll sleep inside of these. There's a bee. In the spring, when these azaleas are blooming, the butterflies like those, but the butterflies don't really come around here until July. You might see one or two, but if there were any butterflies here, they would like the azaleas. One of the favorite plants of the butterfly is a zinnia. Also the cosmos, which is over here. Those fluffy plants. There's its flower. And the balsam. Also the marigolds. And it's a good place for these flowers to be, so it can cultivate my tomatoes and cucumbers. They have to be fertilized. This is a tiger swallowtail. That's what makes up most of our butterflies. Also hydrangeas. They like hydrangeas, but I don't think it's their favorite plant. But they'll sit on top of that big hydrangea ball sometimes and eat, mainly the butterflies. But if I have to guess, I think the butterfly bushes are the butterflies' favorite plants. These small butterflies almost look like moths, are also of the butterfly family. And these black butterflies could be a spice bush or a black swallowtail, but they also might be a tiger swallowtail in disguise. I think it's the male that is sometimes black. They're floating around. And here's the one that lays on the passion flower, lays her eggs. It's a Gulf Fritieri. I just think bumblebees are the funnest thing to watch. I'm chasing these. I don't know if they know I'm doing it. Butterfly weed is also a favorite of the butterflies. Also crepe myrtle. I see them in here sometimes. I don't see any today. I got two colors. Got the more purpley one, and this one's more pink. And quite a big tree. I have one red butterfly bush, and it looks like somebody has found it. And here is another butterfly plant. It's an Abelia bush. And the bees like this as well. I waited a while, but I can't get any butterflies on these, but they are on there a lot of the time. This is the Lantana. Thank you for watching my video about the butterflies, hummingbirds, and bees. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Thank you.